Let's walk through how to connect your FortiGate Firewall to Logmanager. First, open the Logmanager documentation and navigate to Log Sources configuration. Search for FortiGate and follow the setup instructions shown there. Next, go to Logmanager, Processing Tools, IP Prefix List. Search for the predefined FortiGate template, add the IP address of your FortiGate device, and click Save. Now we need the Logmanager destination IP. Go to your Logmanager instance page and copy its IP address. Then switch to the FortiGate user interface. Open Log and Report. Log Settings. Enable syslog and paste the IP address of your Logmanager instance. Click Apply to save the configuration. From this moment on, FortiGate log sending is enabled, and Logmanager will automatically parse the incoming logs. To view the data, open Dashboards in Logmanager and search for the predefined FortiGate dashboards. Alternatively, open your home or default dashboard, navigate to General Traffic Logs, and filter by FortiGate to see the incoming events. Here you can see an example of a raw FortiGate log that Logmanager has received.